Hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel. If you're new to the channel, please go down below and consider subscribing, and once you've done that, please leave a like. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of blurring faces in Capcut, a popular video editing app. Blurring faces is essential for protecting privacy or maintaining anonymity in your videos. Let's get started. First, open your Capcut by tapping it. Now tap on New Project. Then select the video that you want to edit. In this tutorial, I will choose this. Then tap Add. We are in the editing page. On the bottom of your screen, find Effects. Once found, tap it. And then select Video Effects. Tap on Lens. Under the Lens section, tap the Blur effect. Then tap the Check button. Make sure that the duration of the blur effect has the same length as the main video. Tap on the blur as shown here. After doing so, you can tweak the effect by tapping Adjust. Once you are satisfied, tap the Check button. Now we need to add an overlay. Located at the bottom of your screen, tap the back button twice. Tap Overlay. Then tap Add Overlay. Select the same video that you used. Now drag it same as the first video. Now we need to resize the video same as the size of the first video. We can do that by pinching the video. After that, find Mask. Once found, tap it. Then tap on Circle. Adjust it to the subject's face. Now look for the Invert button. It is located at the bottom left corner of the screen. Tap it. Now for final touches, adjust it again according to your preference. Congratulations! You have successfully blurred the face in your video using Capcut. Remember to save your edited video to your device's gallery or share it directly from the app. Feel free to explore other editing features Capcut offers to enhance your videos even further. Thank you for watching!